This problem looks easy, but most people get it wrong. And we have a question in which we have two numbers, 4 power e and e power 4. We want to check which number is greater. So I'm going to solve this problem. I will use a different ways to solve this problem. So let's start method 1. So method 1 is to use the logarithmic to prove that which number is greater and which number is less. I take natural log on both numbers. When I take the natural log on first number, I will get ln of 4 power e, and when I take a natural log on second number, I will get ln of e power 4. Similarly, when I simplify this, I will get e times ln of 4 and 4 times ln of e. How I get this? I just use this logarithmic law, which is log of a power p will be equal to p times log of a. Now we are going to see further. We know that ln of e will be equal to 1. Similarly, we have e times ln of 4. When I substitute the value, I will get 2.718 multiplied by 1.386, because the value of ln of 4 is 1.386. So when I multiply these two numbers, I will get 3.77. Similarly, we have 4 times ln of e, it will be equal to 4. The reason is ln of e is equal to 1. Now we can easily see that 4 is greater than 3.77. If 4 is greater than 3.77, this means 4 is greater than e times ln of 4. Hence, we have e power 4 is greater than 4 power e. Now we are going to see the next method in which I'm going to use this function, which is ln of 4 over 4, and the other one is ln of e over e. I'm going to use this law which says a power b is greater than b power a if and only if ln of a over a is greater than ln of b over b. So I'm going to use this. So we know that ln of e over e will be equal to 1 over e. The reason is the value of ln of e is 1. When I divide these two, I will get 0.368. Similarly, we have ln of 4 over 4. The value of ln of 4 is 1.386, and we have the value of 4 that will remain same when I divide these two. So I will get 0.346. We can see that 0.368 is greater than 0.346. So this means we have e power 4 is greater than 4 power e. Now the next method is a numerical method. So I just use my calculator to find the value. We know that 4 power e will be equal to 43.2. Similarly, when I use my calculator, I will get e power 4 will be equal to 54.6. We can see that e power 4 is greater than 4 power e. By using the numerical method, we can easily prove that e power 4 is greater than 4 power e. So if you like my video, please subscribe, and also if you have any question related to this, please write that question in the comment. Thank you.